Have you ever walked a path so many times that you stop seeing it? Every tree, every stone, just a blur in your memory. Then one day, you stop, and there it is. A moss-covered stone you swear you've never seen before. But it was always there. It was you who was somewhere else. That's the moment awareness begins to wake up. For most of our lives, we don't really see the world. We see our thoughts about it. We see our labels, our memories, our judgments. We live in a hall of mirrors, mistaking our own reflections for reality. But what if we could step out of that hole? What if we could see the forest for the first time, instead of just our idea of a forest? This isn't about learning a new technique or trying harder. It's actually the opposite. It's about letting go of the effort. Awareness is what's already here, beneath the noise of our thinking minds. It's the silence that holds the sound, the space that holds the thought. Let's try a little experiment right now. Just for a moment, notice the sounds around you. Don't name them, don't judge them, just let them be. Now, gently notice that you are noticing. That's simple, effortless. That's the beginning of the second path. It's not something you have to find. It's something you remember you already are. It turns the ordinary into the extraordinary and reveals the infinite hiding in plain sight. If this idea resonates with you and you'd like to explore it more, click subscribe and join our community. Thank you for watching and for being here. And now, I invite you to meditate together. Let's open the second path, the awakening.
Gana